5 game-changing sales funnel that will transform the way you do business. Number 1, lead magnet funnel. This is your chance to establish a strong connection with your potential customer. Number 2, tripwire funnel. Present and low price offer that encourage prospect to take the first step toward becoming your loyal customer. Number 3, webinar funnel. Educate your leads with a live event filled with the valuable content and an irresistible offer. Seize the moment and guide your prospect toward making a purchase. Number 4, membership funnel. Offer exclusive access to premium content or a community in exchange for a recurring subscription fee. Build a loyal customer base and generate consistent revenue. Number 5, high ticket funnels. Through phone calls or inquiry, build trust and captivate your prospects with an offer they can't resist. Don't miss out the opportunity to convert leads into a loyal customer and take your business to the new heights. Thank you.